down from the mountains to the city's bright embrace, with the wind whispering stories of our wild and restless chase. Leather and chrome shining brightly, echoes of laughter in the night, where the sons of Fenrir are riding with the stars our guiding light. So let the engines roar, feel the freedom in our souls. In the heart of Los Santos, we'll break down all the walls. Together we ride through the darkness and the dawn, sons of Fenrir forever strong. We've crossed the northern waters, felt the chill of icy rain, but in the heat of this city we found joy in all the pain. Chasing sunsets, leading trails, with the roar of bikes behind. In the chaos we find our peace, a brotherhood intertwined. So let the engines roar, feel the freedom in our souls. In the heart of Los Santos, we'll break down all the walls. Together we ride through the darkness and the dawn, sons of Fenrir forever strong. Highways, every turn a tale to tell. In this city of lost dreams, we've built our own rebel spell, with the night as our canvas and the moonlight our guide. We'll keep riding forever, with the suns right by our side. So let the engines roar, feel the freedom in our souls. In the heart of Los Santos, we'll break down all the walls. Together we ride through the darkness and the dawn, sons of Fenrir forever strong. So here's to the nights we cherish, to the roads that lie ahead. With the sons of Fenrir riding, we'll never fear what's said.